welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Caitlin and we just do random things on this channel. Like today, we're going to be revamping my balcony. As you can see here right now, it's not looking too good. Its main purpose right now is basically a garage, and it's just not aesthetically pleasing. So I really want to make this a place that's zen and peaceful, where I can come out and read my book or just hang and relax. So that's what we're going to do in this video. Right now, I'm going to go to either like a thrift store or an antique store to try to pick up some decorations. I'm looking for a cabinet as well, so I can put like planting things in there. What else? Maybe go to Michael's and get some art supplies so that we can then get this thing going. Let's go ahead and jump right on into my car.
Hello you guys, today is a new day, and when we went to the thrift store, I did not find any. I went to 3 different thrift stores, didn't find any like knickknacks, or like I was looking for like a vase and a little cabinet to kind of keep outside to put like gardening tools inside of. Oh, by the way, if you hear like a humming, my AC is on because it is hot and it's really early. It's like, what does it say? 82 degrees, probably 85. And it's humid and my car is just hot, so I had to put on the AC. But we just went to Goodwill and there was so many cute little knickknacks there that I found that we can put on the table. I also found a cabinet, which was great, like $25, which wasn't too bad, and I'm just gonna repaint it and revamp it a little to match. So right now we're going to Michael's so that I can get, we'll see if there's like any fake flowers there. I'm gonna get some like spray paint, I think, for the handles of the drawers that I got, because I want to make it like a rusted metal looking, and right now it's just like a plastic gray handle. And then I want to possibly sand down the wood so that we can then stain it a darker wood color, again kind of like that old like rustic feel that I'm going for out there. And then yeah, then we found some cool knickknacks, some cup holders. What are they called? Oh my god, what are they called? Okay, these things that you're seeing right now, I will look up the name of that later. And I also found this beautiful vase. I did not get it because it was just a little pricey. Didn't really know where I would put it because it was kind of big as well, but it was like a terracotta color. I think it was handmade with like out of clay. Up the sides was like vines or like leaves, I guess, going up the side. Super pretty. I think it was like $15, which was a good deal for a vase that size. Stating that, I was trying to find a vase yesterday at the thrift store, and I asked the price. You saw the owl vase, and he literally said it was $75, and it was like an umbrella holder anyways. Like, why would it be $75? Yeah, I don't know. So considering the price difference, it's way better, but I don't know where that's gonna go yet. So if anything, I can possibly come back and hopefully it's still there, or we can always find another one if I really needed it later on. But right now we got some good stuff. Still trying to find a watering can, because I think a watering can would be really cute to display, like an antique watering can. Also, I can use it to then water my plants out there. But yeah, I think so far we actually hit the jackpot today. Like, it's going pretty well. So we just got back from Michael's. I got just a few things to paint the drawers. I got like a wood stainer, and then a spray paint and a sealant for this wood stain and spray paint. They had such cute spring things there. Like, right when I walked in, they knew exactly what they were doing. Like, they know how to market and get you. They had like this really cute picture frame, like antique looking picture frame that had a like butterfly, some flowers. One had like a beetle on it, super cute. and they had like a whole honeybee collection, like welcome to our hive collection for spring. And then I went to their flower aisle because I was thinking of maybe with the, so at Goodwill I got a basket to put flowers in, and I was like, maybe I would just put fake flowers for now. And I was looking through those, which they were 50% off, but I was thinking about it would add up and they wouldn't really fill much of what I wanted them to like fill up. So yeah, it wouldn't fill what I wanted, but they were super cute, like pink, yellows, purples, perfect for springtime. I mean, I just love those colors, and it matches like a plant that I have already. What else? Sorry. If you hear, this is what's dangling, and my AC's on, so maybe I'll speak a little louder. I'm gonna stop by Five Below. Hopefully they will have a little carpet. Like I saw one time they had these cute, kind of rustic feeling carpet, little, enough to put in front of the couch on the patio. I think that would be super cute. If we can find that, maybe they'll have like little knickknacks, little flower things for springtime, and hopefully that will come in time for spring, and that we can get that to fill the little basket. If not, it's fine. We'll just leave the basket there for now until I can find that, or maybe possibly get real flowers. I just don't want them to die or keep having to buy flowers, but I don't think that they should die. I don't know. I have to get some that last long or last through Florida seasons. I'd have to look into that because I really don't know anything about gardening or planting flowers. The only plant that I like is the one that I got, that we have. I don't even know what it's called, but those survive. They're really hardy plants and they survive very well and nice. And all I gotta do is water them once in a while. So now that we got everything that we needed from the store, let's move on to the first task, the cabinet. Now, this is the cabinet in here. You see me struggling trying to take off the cabinet handles. My boyfriend actually had the toolbox in his car, so I was trying a knife. I found like a little piece to a screwdriver, was trying that. Trying my keys, literally anything possible. Like, I don't know if you guys have been through this, but, or if like you're trying to, unscrew something and you didn't have a screwdriver or one that fit. Like, have you guys had that same experience? Like, just trying to find random things around your house to take off the handles? Because that is me right here. We are on the struggle bus right now. But we just said, whatever, I'm gonna leave it, and we're just gonna go ahead and paint around the handles and sand down around. Hopefully it doesn't get like in the way while painting. I mean, I'm just gonna repaint the handles once I'm able to take them off, so it wouldn't matter if I get paint on them now. But yeah, so we have to leave them on, so that's why they are on. Also, this is Ivory. She's such a sweet girl. She does appear in this video quite often. She's my little my worker dog, my worker buddy. Although I did have her go inside after that because I didn't want her breathing in this dust. Right now, I am just sanding this down so that we can then rough up the area so that the paint can stick to the surface. Now that the cabinet is all sanded down, we're gonna go in and start painting it. As you can see, it does kind of look rough and scratched up, and so that's exactly the look I wanted. And this is the wood stainer that we are going to be using. It was like a dark gray, it says carbon gray wood. So we have that. And I'm also bringing in some other tools such as my paintbrush,
gloves. I don't want to get my nails stained, even though they have to be filled very bad, I know. And then, again, the scissors, so that I can then do that carving into the wood to make it look dented and scratched even more. At this point, I was just kind of trying to paint the stain around to see exactly how it would go on the wood, stating that's actually fake wood, and if it would even dry and stay on, or if I just wasted a bunch of money and this draw is just not gonna work. But here's me just trying to, circle it on different strokes. But then I found that if I were to brush it like back and forth, it actually left a really cool pattern. You can see like the streaks of the brush and then also the fake wood underneath kind of shown through, making it look more textured. So I'm just gonna leave it there. Hopefully it dries nice and it will stay. So yeah, we will see. And finally, we got the handles off, and I'm going to start spray painting them with the metallic vintage gloss. It's like that rusted metal look, and these are the plastic handles. And I'm just going to make like a little contraption here with these wooden sticks and styrofoam blocks and kind of stick them in so that I can then just spray around and it can dry without me having to spray one side, flip it over, then spray the other side. I can just do it all at once, and it just speeds up the process. Look how beautiful this color is turning out. And see what I meant by how easy it is. You can just angle and get the underneath and spray underneath, turn the box around and spray the other side. It was so convenient. Also, a little sneak peek of the cabinet in the corner. I do want to say that the paint actually worked really well, and you can see the streaks even made it look more antique. The rug. So here I am just cleaning up the balcony. We did clear everything out, got the couch out. The balcony is just stained. Water stains maybe? I have no idea, but it's not cute. So we did get a rug. It was from Home Depot, and it's a faux grass rug. Here you see me cutting it to lengths. I'm just using a box cutter, and surprisingly, like, it cuts like butter. So it's so simple to customize to the exact size that you want. Well, you do customize it there, but we needed an extra foot so that we can then cut some portion for the other side, because you can only get it 12 feet long, but we needed it a little bit longer. So my boyfriend's actually going to take over and do the voiceover for his part.
So you have to measure everything from the length to the width, and then you measure the rug. Hopefully you get it right. Be careful with that because it's a little bit tricky. After that, you have to cut everything in a straight line. It's okay, you don't have to be straight. You can just put the remaining part under the carpet if you have to. And then that is it.
I am now back. We are on to task 3, which is the lights. Now, props to my boyfriend real quick. He did a great job on his first voiceover. And then once we get that little piece of the carpet, we're going to put it in that little corner that you saw so I can complete the faux grass look out there. But onto the lights. So these are the tools that I am going to be working with. Right here I just opened up this pack. It's a wire that has a switch to it. It's one of those lamp wires with the light bulb attachment. But what I'm going to actually do is take off this wire attachment so that I can use that on and off switch and attach it to the light bulbs that I got. And am I a professional? No, I have no idea what I am doing. I don't know why I thought this would be a good idea for me to try. Like, I didn't even look up any tutorials. I was like, yep, we're doing this. And it's coming out pretty good so far. Now, Again, this is not a tutorial on how to connect two wires, please. There's so many other YouTube videos out there that do show you the correct way, so don't try to follow me, because again, I have no idea what I'm doing, but it did work out in the end. And we connected the wire with the switch to the light bulbs. Now that the wires are connected together, I'm just hanging these up on the ceiling and doing a little zigzag pattern. Now the light bulbs are not in. I saw on a comment under the reviews that if you kept the light bulbs in, they would be more prone to break, so take them out and then screw them afterwards, which is a bit of a step, but also I didn't want any of the bulbs to break, so I didn't want to have to buy extra ones, and then, yeah, I wanted it to be perfect and all of them working. And so here I am, screwing in the light bulbs. This was very time consuming, but it was very much worth it. I recommend getting a little step ladder so that'll be easy. The final task, my favorite part, decorating and putting everything together. Let's go. Let's just take a quick look once again at what the balcony used to look like. Yeah, I can't even remember it looking like this anymore. And I'm glad it does not look like this anymore. So let's go ahead and jump over to the final reveal. And we're at the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this inspired you to revamp one of your spaces in your home. I'm now going to take my book and sit down and relax. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down below what your favorite revamp was of this video. Again, thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.